What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Android phone to factory default. So I'll show you two different ways. First way, we need to open our settings, and for this video tutorial, I'm going to be using Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We need to open settings, and in settings, we need to scroll down. And then right here, we just need to press on General Management, and then under General Management, click on Reset. And right here, there's going to be an option, Factory Data Reset. You just press on it, and then it's going to tell you all your data will be lost and deleted. So if you don't have backup done, don't do this. Otherwise, everything will be erased from your phone. And then just click on Reset. And then it's going to ask you again. And then click on Delete All. And that's it. Now it's going to shut down your device, and it's going to reset to factory default. Once it's rebooted, you'll have new out-of-the-box experience, like you're setting up a brand new phone. You just have to go through this process to set up and start using your phone. And then since I'm using Samsung phone, there's another way how to reset your phone. So first thing you'll have to do, you'll have to turn your phone off, power off. Once it's completely powered off, what we need to do, we need to press on Bixby button and power up, and at the same time hold the power button and hold until it will take you to recovery mode. Once it takes you to recovery mode, you can release all buttons, and in here you'll just have to use your volume up and down to go up and down. And right here there's a couple options: reboot, apply updates, wipe and data factory reset. And then we choose that, and then we press on a power button, and it's just confirming if you wanted to wipe all your data, and this cannot be undone. And then if you change your mind, you just press on cancel, or you go down factory reset and then power button one more time, and then it's going to reset to factory default. And if you have older Samsung, you don't have a Bixby button, you can just holding volume up and power button and hold until it will take you to recovery mode. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.